playing field. Roadmaster Elite 2024 limited edition. This is number 136 of 350 worldwide. That's what we doing. Heated seat, cool seat, passenger and rider, armrest for the passenger, roof rack, saddlebags with speakers in the saddlebags, highway pegs. Got my lowers here, compartments in here. Open up my vents to help cool the engine off or cool my feet off. Floorboards, custom floorboards, came stock. All this is stock. I changed the handlebars up. Something that my daughter made for me. You know I love her. I put these lights on, put these auxiliary lights on, and the handlebars. The only thing left I gotta do is I gotta put my exhaust on, slip-ons. The speakers here, the speakers in here, speakers up here in the front. Of course, the Indian, you know, the windshield goes up and down. Apple CarPlay, all that. And the pollen is out with the war bonnet. Yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing here.